Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cookies gift box. First, select a sturdy gift box, ideally around 8 by 8 by 3 inches, to hold your delicious treats. Next, plan your cookie selection, aiming for a delightful variety of 3 to 5 different types. Remember, presentation is key, so consider different shapes and colors. Finally, ensure all your freshly baked cookies are completely cooled to room temperature before you begin packaging them. This prevents condensation and keeps them fresh. When selecting your cookies, aim for a delightful mix of textures and flavors. Think about including some soft, chewy options alongside crispier ones for a balanced experience. You might also consider adding a few individually wrapped candies or chocolates to complement the cookies. It's crucial that all your baked goods are completely cool before packaging. This usually takes at least 30 minutes on a wire rack to prevent any moisture issues. Now, let's focus on packaging. Start by lining your chosen gift box with a layer of parchment paper or festive tissue paper. This adds a nice touch and protects the cookies. Begin arranging your cookies by placing the larger, sturdier ones at the bottom. Then, carefully layer the smaller or more delicate cookies on top. To prevent breakage and keep different flavors separate, use small paper dividers or even cupcake liners between them. For the final touches, tie a beautiful ribbon around your cookie box and attach a personalized gift tag. This adds a thoughtful, handmade feel. You might also include a small card inside, listing the different cookie flavors, which is a lovely detail for the recipient. Remember, a well-presented gift shows extra care. Also, if you're looking to enhance your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to bring music and smart features into any room.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.